Remember Tony and Pussy and Trim Locks. Remember Rivali, you go and get big box. Bust me boss head looking this.
My rough like on with the ginger. Madness and no game, no cartoon, no Disney. Some artists boy, mine no business.
So we fighting already for evilness. Pablo beating stick. West Bank mine no. We know do people think. Chip me.
Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Demarco. I want the artists them flow for the clash and just focus on them career. Plus we also have some of the fans them as say Malie Donn are informer. Viewers and subscribers will have to get right into it. So I just want to big up on yourself like always, and remember, leave a subscribe if you're not new. So as you know already, Malie Donn and Chronicler is in a lyrical confrontation. The viewers and subscribers, dancehall get nice again. Yeah man, we have Demarco talk to the artist them. Well, he made a post to his IG. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna hear what the G say. Yeah man, him a want both Malie and Chronicler for low the clash alone and focus on them career. Viewers and subscribers may know most of you don't want to hear this because you know enjoy the clash, and you know a long time dancehall needed a clash like this because like I always said before, dancehall is built up on clash. So yeah man, me not too like when some artists I try to like tell the other artists them to build a fight. You see me make him and them clash. You know, as an artist that's in a clash, you're supposed to know what if you say from where you know if you say. Alright, so the man can say, Law and Malie done the war thing, your family. It a get out of hand. The man them where they run the artists, them no love the artists, them. Law and Malie, uno attack some things we can't talk over. Uno a artists, a music make uno a take care of uno family. Jano Star, hashtag one law underscore chronicler, hashtag Malie underscore music. Demarco went on and say, from nothing to something, hashtag one law underscore chronicler, hashtag Malie underscore music. The king, hashtag Vibes Cartel, can tell you it no worth it. Make uno money, young kings, with a prayer and emoji. So that's what Demarco has said to the artists them for just allow the clash and focus on them career, because at them career I make them able to feed them family and them attack a bag of things. But the thing is, you know, viewers and subscribers, like I said before, as an artist, you have to know what if you say from where you know if you say. You see me? Yeah, man. We are enjoy the clash so far. I mean, know enough people right now, enough dancehall fans enjoy the clash and them don't want to see it in. You see me? Every day them wake up, or should I say every day we wake up, we are look and I expect something new from both of the artists them. But them have to just know what them must say. You see me? Dancehall is made up and clash, and them are supposed to know that. So, you know, when him come say, yo, them need to stop, me not rate that style. I make him and them clash. You see me, dancehall actually need the clash right now at the first, not first, but first in a long time. Me not see dancehall fans get this happy over a clash. So, Demarco, make the artists them clash and allow them.
I'm not sure I'm ready for hear this one, dog. Alabas, money spent killing friend, my dog. Friend killer.
Alright, so that song I one of the main song them where I make most of the fans them have it to say Malie Donn are informer. Viewers and subscribers, Malie Donn is not an informer. The reason why I said that is because you see in a clash you go talk about bag of things. And the other artists who are this to forward out and clear it up. You see me? Remember, you know, you go talk about bag of things just with this and artists, you know, just with say something bad about the other artists, you know, to make people I look upon the artist there and I say, hey, you really do that? You see me? Are you now as an artist, if you know what you talk say? And are you as an artist to come out and clear it up? You see me? Malie Donn is not the first, and Malie Donn will not be the last. You see me? So Malie Donn is not an informer. I don't see it as informing. Malie Donn just talk a bag of things, and a chronicler duty if you come out and clear up what Malie Donn has said about him. You see me? Yeah man, in a clash you're going to use whatever you get as this at your disposal for this artist. We don't know if what Malie Donn say is true, and we don't know if what Chronicler say is true. We just know so we're there and we enjoy a clash. Some see a lot of people now say, yo, you man a informer. Bro, I don't see it. I don't see it. And as I said, Malie Donn, I'm not the first artist to talk about things, and I'm not going to be the last. So I just stop calling man artists and enjoy the clash. You see me? Yeah man, that's all I have to say. So viewers and subscribers watching man, if you're new to over here, remember leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself, and you can go over for my channel and vote for who you feel I win the clash. Big up to Malie and big up to Chronicler.